Hello YouTubers, what's up? My name is Asif Ali and I am a CEO of This IT Solutions. We, the team of This IT Solutions, take an initiative of program, namely Zero to the Hero. This is the introductory part of this program, and in this video, we will discuss each and every detail related to this program, like what actually this program is, what's the reason behind this program, why we start this program, what are the goals we set, and the most important point is what we will get at the end of this program, or the benefits of this program. So before starting this video, I would like to let you know about the reason behind this program, why we take initiative of this program. As you all are well familiar about the current job market situation that is badly affected by the COVID-19, and due to which a lot of the job holders become jobless, due to which the ratio of the unemployment and the jobless gradually increases with the time. And my another focus is the category of the fresh graduate students, especially the students of the computer science who are complaining about jobs that they do not get jobs right after their graduation. So what are the reasons behind, what are the points where they are lacking, and what are the changes they should adopt in order to get a job right after their degrees or even during their degrees as well. So all these problems and all these points we are going to discuss in our program, and I hope at the end of this program you will not complain again. So by considering all these issues, we, the team of the Sales IT Solution, take the step of Zero to the Hero, in which our main goal is to make an individual stable in a sense of earning, stable in a sense of making opportunity for themselves and for others, and stable in a sense of securing jobs, right? In short, we do not want any individual to just depend on a single job, because the situations we are facing now, maybe in future we will face a worse situations, each and so that we will prepare ourselves for each and every situation. This is our main goal of this LIT solution. So now let me tell you about the strategy we will follow throughout this program in very simple way. This is the flow diagram and the strategy we are going to follow throughout this program. First of all, let me tell you about what actually this program is. A blend of three types of knowledges. I broadly categorize this program into three categories. The one is theoretical knowledge, the practical knowledge, earning skills. Theoretical knowledge, you guys are well familiar about theoretical knowledge because we learned a lot about theoretical knowledge from our institutions or other education platforms as well. But when it comes to practical knowledge, we are going to focus more on practical knowledge and earning skills, because these are the 2 points where a lot of people are lacking, and a lot of people don't know about the practical knowledge and the field work. They don't know about the earning skills. According to my experience, believe me, there is a huge difference between theoretical knowledge and the practical knowledge, right? But or most of the institution focus on theoretical knowledge. Unfortunately, I'm not saying theoretical knowledge is not important. It is important, but not only theoretical knowledge is important. Our institution should focus on practical knowledge as well, so that after graduation, the students will easily get jobs. Because what the companies need and what the companies demand is some product in the form of project, right? For me, what I define the theoretical knowledge is the chunks of different spread knowledge, right? And when we combine this spread knowledge in one place, that is what we call a practical knowledge, right? For example, if I will make you understand from this slide, in this program I categorize the courses in 2 different categories, the programming category and non-programming category. In the first category, you will see I take some example, web development, Python, machine learning, and non-programming category contains WordPress and photography. What we will do in this program, that we will just pick a course as like web development, as I'm doing a web development. So for example, I take web development. We will complete a theory of web development in first month, and in second month we will take a project related to the web development, and we will start a project from scratch, from zero to the hero, so that you will learn each and every thing related to the project, from where we have to start a project, how we have to manage the project, what are the ups and downs one will face while doing a project, and how we will complete the project within a time slot, right? So these are some tips and tricks we are going to follow, and we are going to learn each and everything for this program. I also make another category of non-programming field, because if there is someone out there who are not from the programming background and they want to make themselves stable and they want to earn, so for those people I also make a category. For now I just include the WordPress and photography, but with the passage of time, when our circle increases, we also increase our team as well, and we will increase the content, and we will also improve our quality as well. So don't worry about that. The passage of the time, we will increase our courses and the content as well. So this is all about our program is. This is what the strategy we will follow, and the total time period we have is 3 months. Every stage I divide every month for every stage. Theoretical knowledge 1 month for theoretical knowledge, 1 month for practical, and 1 month for earning skills. And at the end of this program, I hope you guys will be at the stage of getting a good job, or if you are interested in start your own setup or run your own setup, then you will also do that as well. Even my suggestion for you is, if you are good in a theoretical knowledge plus practical knowledge plus earning skills, then you should go for your own setup, entrepreneurs, so that at that stage you are not going to search for jobs. Instead, you are at the stage where you will provide jobs for others. This is the main point for the entrepreneur, and this is all about. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If there is anything else you want to know about the introductory part of this program, or if you want to ask something, then you can ask me in comment sections. If you enjoyed the video, do like and share. And for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Stay tuned and goodbye.